Hola, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day, and thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. As you can see from the description, we are unboxing the January 2019 DegustaBox. I have to move way over here because it's such a big box. So for those of you that do not know, DegustaBox is a monthly subscription. It's not really a snack box, because you receive so many different, you do receive some snacks, but you could actually receive I think I received a box of mac and cheese one time, and there's just such a variety of things you could receive in here. Some you do see on, the supermarket shelves. Some are newer products to the market. So it's just always a good mixture. It is $19.99 a month. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up, but let's go ahead and dive in and see what is in store this month. So, I think like I said, it's always fun because it's always got unique products. So, then like this when you open it, and then on top will always be all of your products inside. It looks like we have a second sheet. We have a coupon for a free bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. I did not know that they made that, so maybe it's a new product or I just haven't seen it. And then, yeah, that's what will tell us everything that is in here. And then I can show you guys. There's everything we see. So let's get our handy dandy reference sheet here. And we're just going to start taking a look. All right, so the first thing I see on top is from, now that I have cardboard all over me, Grounded Organic Snacks, vanilla chai flavored baked grain bites. And says, we've mastered the right balance of rich vanilla mixed with warm cinnamon and exotic spices to create a superb vanilla chai flavor sensation. Stay grounded, my friend. $3.49 for a full-size bag. Sounds interesting. Sounds yummy, actually. So that was our first item. And then, oh, we got something little here. What are you? We have two little, they say chocolate hazelnut cookie squares baked in France. Two kooky cookies. You're gonna be able to see that there, but I think that's funny. Let's see, what is this? This is gift. Michel et Augustine cookie squares are baked in France with butter, chocolate, and amore, love, whatever. Made with ingredients you find in your kitchen, each recipe brings together crispy shortbread and creamy chocolate ganache, a perfect indulgent snack. Okay, so these were just a little gift. Thank you to DegustaBox. What do we have here? We have some tortillas. Low carb, 8 soft taco flour tortilla. Non-GMO. Okay. Christopher will be happy. Tacos are his favorite. And this is the product of the month. La Tortilla Factory. Our most popular tortilla is low in carbs and calories and high in fiber, protein, and flavor. With only 4 grams of net carbs, each one of these tortillas is packed with 3 grams of protein and only 45 calories. Plus, they're made with unbleached wheat flour and no GMOs. Goodness in hand. So yes, Christopher will be super happy. I will use those the next time I make tacos. Oh, these look yummy. What are you? Partners crackers. Oh, and if I did not say, I apologize. The tortillas are $4.89. These partner crackers are $3.99. And these are in olive oil and sea salt. These delicious slow-baked crackers are made with real honest ingredients like buttermilk, extra virgin olive oil, and a touch of sea salt. They're perfect for snacking on their own or pair them with anything from hummus to the fanciest of cheeses. And you know what? I was just thinking they look like I've got some red, what's it called, y'all? Roasted red pepper hummus. And I was thinking that looks like that would be really good with those. So yeah. Okay. And what do we have? Oh, okay. I've used these before. The Idahoan Foods. These are $1.39 a piece. Basically, like they're instant mashed potatoes. They're flavored. These say new, so these must be some new flavors. We have cheddar and sour cream. And we have smoky cheese and bacon. So, yeah. These are super easy. Super easy to make. I mean, if you're in a hurry and you need to make some mashed potatoes and you don't have time to peel and boil and mash and all of that, they're great for a go-to. They're also great for, like, sometimes I make shepherd's pie and I will just get like the buttery ones and just put them on top and pop them in the oven, and it's great. It saves you a lot of time. So, oh, we got some over here. Look, I have cardboard on me from this box. All right. Chocolate, Frey, Swiss premium, Swiss chocolate, milk crunchy nut bar, milk chocolate with hazelnuts. Carefully selected ingredients. It is 31% nuts. This is the #1 brand in Switzerland. This is $3.29. With more than 25% nuts and made with authentic Swiss chocolate, these premium bars are a delight for all nut and chocolate lovers. It looks like there were 3 different varieties. And so I got the chocolate and hazelnut. I can't tell you what the other 2 were. It's way too small. So yeah. Okay. And that's one thing I really like about DegustaBox is you get such a variety. I mean, we've got some vanilla chai snacks, we've gotten some crackers, we've gotten some potatoes, we've gotten some tortillas, we've gotten a chocolate bar. It's just always a variety. What are you? Martha Notha? 3. These say new. What are you? This is under New Year, New Me. It's $9.99 for a 12-ounce jar. Satisfy your afternoon craving with Maranatha. Maranatha? Packet. The perfect on-the-go snack. Try all 3 flavors, including dark chocolate, caramel, and coconut. So we have dark chocolate almond butter, caramel almond butter, and coconut almond butter. And you know what? This feels really smooth. So here are those. I'm saying it's always a great variety. What is this over here in the corner? Oh, okay. So I'm not crazy. It says new. Sweet Baby Ray's, $3.29. When it comes to hot sauce, there's really no such thing as overdoing it. With a hearty kick of aged cayenne and garlic, this brand new sauce will soon become your go-to for just about everything. So go ahead, slather, eat, repeat. So Sweet Baby Ray's did just come out with a hot sauce. My husband will be happy. He loves hot sauce on everything. And what do we have here? This is cereal. This is another of the New Year, New Me. It says organic and gluten-free Vitabella. This is made in Italy. It's a 100% Italian cereal. It's vegan. Traditional Choco Krispies. It's GMO, soy, and dairy-free. So it kind of, to me, looks like almost like Cocoa Krispies. Or like chocolate Rice Krispies. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we could have gotten this or a strawberry pillow. The traditional Choco Krispies are made with 100% organic Italian whole rice, steam cooked and coated with the best selection of cocoa powder. Okay. So we got some chocolate cereal. But it's vegan and gluten-free and organic and good for you. So yeah, that's awesome. Give that a try. And it looks like we have 2 more things in here. And if I did not say the cereal is $5.99. And then we have from Smashmallow. These are $1.99 a piece. We have cinnamon churro, which sounds amazing, and strawberries and cream. Excuse me. Smash Crispy is no ordinary crispy rice treat. The epic smash up is made from only the very best simple ingredients and packed with flavor for a tasty twist on a classic. A guilt-free, everyday, any time of day treat for your taste buds that's just like you remember, only better. That cinnamon churro one sounds pretty darn awesome, if I do say so myself. And on the back here, I do like this too, is they give you different recipes. So that's always great. So that was the January 2019 DegustaBox. Like I said, you get such a variety. I mean, and it can be stuff you find in the grocery store or stuff that you don't really see. I mean, at least I've never seen this. So yeah, I like DegustaBox. I think it's always fun. And like I said, it exposes you to new things. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you get DegustaBox, I will leave a link down below, like I said, if you would like to sign up. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.